Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will see how to write a Python program to check if a string is palindrome or not. So previously we have seen if we have a number, and we have seen that how to write a program to check if that number is palindrome or not, right? But in this program we will see how to check if a string is palindrome or not. First let me show you one example. Okay, what is palindrome means. Okay, so if you have a string something like this, string equal to ma'am. Okay, so this string is equal to ma'am. So if I will do reverse of this string, right? So what will happen? Reverse of this string, reverse string is equal to also same, right, ma'am, because it starts like MAM, then it will be MAM again. If we write madam, MADAM, what is the reverse? Same thing, right, MADAM. Okay, MADAM. So basically if the string and the reverse string both match, both are same, in that case we can call it as palindrome, else it is not palindrome. So that is the logic we will use. Okay, so the very first thing is, maybe you would have been thinking we can just do the reverse of a string and then we can just do a if else block and we can check whether this we can match both the original string and the reverse string, and we can see, we can tell that it is a palindrome or not. But the problem is, in Python there is no inbuilt function to reverse a string, but we can reverse a string easily through slice, which will step backward. Okay, I will show you how you can do it. Okay, so let us see first, right. So here we have a string which is madam. Okay, what we will do, we will try to reverse this string. Okay, this one is not required. Basically we have one string which is madam. So what we will write, if okay string is equal to, so here we will do the reverse. Okay, how we will do it? Let me show you. Through slice we can do it. String, okay, just write colon colon minus 1. Okay, then you say print string is palindrome. Okay, else string is not palindrome. Okay, that is all. This is very simple. So what we are doing here, if string is equal to, so basically this much, right, it is doing reverse of the string. Okay, so basically in Python we call it as a slice statement. Okay, this is your slice statement, and this colon colon minus 1 means start at the end of the string and end at position 0. So you know, always in the string we call it 0th position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position. So when we are telling this colon colon minus 1, it means we will start, basically we will reverse the string, and how the reverse will happen, it will start at the end of the string and end at the position 0. It will start at the end of the string and end at the position 0, and every move, right, and why we are writing this minus 1. So that is like every move will go backward, one step backward. Okay, so it will basically reverse the thing. Okay, so that is why we have used this one. Okay, this is called slice one. Okay, so like this you can reverse a string in Python. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, let me just execute it. See, string is palindrome. So in case I will just write something, string is not palindrome. Okay, so this is how you can check whether a string is palindrome or not. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, so for example, in your interview somebody asked, okay, you don't use this slice thing, and can you do it through a for loop or through any other way if you can do it. I will say this is the easiest way, but in interview they can ask, right. So for now what I will do, let me just comment out this code. Okay, let me comment out this code. I will show you one more easiest way, okay, how you can do it. Again, this is the easiest one I will say, but yeah, another approach I can tell you. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will write one function. Okay, so you know in Python whenever we write one function we will start with def, right, def, then your function name. For example, here I will give my function name as palindrome. Okay, palindrome function. Okay, and what I will do here in this palindrome function, it will take one string, because argument, it will take one argument as string, and I will see whether this string is palindrome or not. Okay, so we are just writing one function, and inside that we will write one for loop. So for I in range. Okay, what is the range we will give here? Range will start from 0 and then it will go till length of what? Length of this string. Okay, and length of string, then we can say divided by 2. I'll explain you everything, don't worry for now. Then what we'll do, we will write if, okay, string of, okay, I, if string of I is not equal to, we will say string of your length, okay, length of the string, okay, then minus I minus 1. I will explain you everything, don't worry now. Okay, if you don't understand what is happening, just wait 2 more minutes, I will explain you everything. Then you can write return false. Okay, then what you can write? Return true. Then we will write our actual test. Okay, so here what we will do, we will take, for example, string equal to, again here also we will take madam, okay, s equal to madam, and then what we will do, we will say result is equal to this method, and here we will take s, right. Okay, then we will say if result, okay, then we will say print string is palindrome, else string is not palindrome. Very easy. Okay, for now let me do one thing, let me just execute and see. Okay, here I am seeing one error, let me just write it, correct it. Okay, let me run now. So here you see string is palindrome. Okay, so here also if we will give just ma'am, let me run. Okay, string is palindrome. Okay, now I will explain you how it is working, right. So that is important. So what we did here, we have taken one method, okay, palindrome method we have taken. Okay, basically we have written a palindrome function, okay, and the argument we are taking as a string. Okay, and here we are writing for I in range 0 comma int length of string divided by 2. Okay, so here we have taken this string is nothing but madam. So what is the length of this one? The length of this one is 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So what will happen? 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 means it will be 2, because we are not taking the remainder, right. So only 5 divided by 2, which is 2. So what will happen? What is the range now? So the range will start from 0 to 2. Okay, now what we are telling, if string of I means string of 0, now I value is 0 because when the loop will start, right. So for the range is 0 to 2, the very first value is 0. If string of I, if string of 0 means this m, okay, is not equal to string of length. So what is the length? Length value is 5. Okay, here we have seen, right, length value is 5. 5 minus I, what is the I value? I value is 0. 5 minus 0 means 5, minus 1 means 4. So, if string of I means string of 0 is not equal to string of 4, we will see what is the 0th value. 0 value is m. Then this is the first value, this is the second value, this is the third value, this is the fourth value. So, basically we are comparing this value with this value. So, string of 0 and string of 4, if it is not equal to, is it not equal to? It is equal, m and m are equal. So, basically it will not go inside. Okay. Now, it will go up. Okay. Now, what is the I value? I value will be 1. Okay, because 0 is done. Now, I value is 1. Then again we are telling string of 1 is not equal to string of, what is the length? Length is again 5. Then minus I value is 1. 5 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So, basically we are comparing string of 1 with string of 3. In string of 1, what is there? A, and string of 3, what is there? A, because this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So, basically we are comparing 1 with 3. Okay. So, again these two are matching. So, it will not go inside, again it will go up. Now, what will happen? Now, the value is 2, right, the I value is 2. So, when I value is 2, again what we are telling, if string of I means string of 2 means A D. So, D is not equal to string of length minus I. So, 5 minus I means 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 1 2. So, string of 2 is not equal to string of 2, basically D we are comparing with D. Again the condition is not matching. So, it will not go inside, it will go up. Now, what it will return? It will return true, because all this condition did not work. Okay. So, it will return true. Otherwise, if any time this condition satisfies, it will return false. Okay. But in this case it returned true. Okay. So, now when, so basically this condition returned, this method returned the value as true. Now, what we are telling, here we are passing the value, argument value as madam, that is what, s equal to madam, and this is your method. Basically whatever this method will return, what this method result will, the value of the result will be true, because this method returned true. That is what we are telling. If result means if result is true, then print this. If result is false, in that case you print this. So, here if you will write something like this and if you will run, see, it will return as not palindrome. Again you do the same thing, whatever I explained, right, you use it, and in this case you pass, because this s value is nothing but your argument value, right. So, again you pass MADAME, okay, and you try to analyze it, you will get to know how it is working. Okay. So, in this way also you can check whether it is a palindrome or not. So, I explained in two different ways. Okay. This is the easiest way, and this is also one more approach how you can check. Okay. So, if you like this video, please press the like button. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe, share it with your friends. Okay. And also do not forget to watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python playlist, okay, Python program playlist. So, go and watch all those programs, those are very, very important for your interview perspective. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.